Hello students, today this is Pooja. Today I will teach you about class 8 maths and the topic is algebraic expression and identities. You know that algebraic expression and identities is like the variables and the constants. So you know that in previous classes you have learned algebraic expression is also like identify the constants and the variables. So I have written in algebraic expression and identities. So this is the definition of the algebraic expression and identities. Algebraic expression contains and variables connected by the fundamental operations of the signs multiplication, addition, subtraction and the divisions. And you know that algebraic expressions just like as we denote the terms. For example, we write now 2x square plus 9xy square plus 7xy plus 8. In these examples, all these are terms. And now, so the first, second, fourth, and third and fourth terms. And now, in that, what is the terms and what is the variables? So in that, 2x square, 9xy square, 7xy, these all are called terms. But 8 is the constant. So what is a constant? A constant is whose numerical value is fixed and the variables always contains are same. Just like as, for example, we write now the 2xy square, 2x square, 9xy square and 7xy. All these are the including by the are variables and terms both. And but 8 is the only the not including the terms, so that is called a constant. So we write now 2x square, 9xy square and 7xy, all the and 8 all are terms. And terms 2x square, 9xy square, 7xy and 8 both are including the variables and terms, and 8 is not including the variables, only the term, only the constant value. So what is a variable? A variable, the value will be not fixed. We write square plus 9xy square plus 7xy plus 8. So we can factorize all these terms 2x square, 9xy square, 7xy and 8. Now factorize all the terms. How can we factorize the terms? 2x square. Now factorize 2x. Now the second term is 9xy square and these are 9x, y and y. These are factors of these terms. 7xy, there is 7x and y. And 8 is a constant. In that, for example, how can we explain the variable is not fixed? So we write now some examples. For example, 2x plus 4 equal to 12. So the value is 2x. We separate the variables 12 minus 4 and 2x is equal to 8. You know that x is equal to 8 by 2. So the value will be finding x is equal to 4. Another example we write x plus 7 equal to 10 and there the value of x is 3. 10 minus 7 is equal to 3. So look at this. Both are the examples. Variable In both examples, x the value first value is x equal to 4 and the second is x equal to 3. So both are the examples. We can right now we can see the variables are changes and constant the fixed value whose numerical value is not changed. Now the next thing, kinds of polynomial. Kinds of polynomial. Which kinds of polynomial? Now there is 4 types of polynomial. First is monomials. You know that nomials means a term. First monomials. But exactly we can pronounce it the monomials, but this is the nomials, not a monomials. So nomials is defined as a term. Second, binomials, and third is trinomials, and fourth is polynomial. So what is a monomial? Monomial, an expression containing one terms, that is called monomials. For example, 3x, 7x, minus 8y. These are the examples of the monomial because there are the only one terms. Next, binomials, an expression containing two terms are known as binomials. For example, 7x plus 12 या 3x square plus 7y. So in these examples, two terms are available. So this is called a binomials. Now the next thing is trinomials. What is a trinomials? A trinomial, an expression containing three terms. For example, a square plus 2ab plus c. Yeah, x square plus 4xy plus 11. So all in that examples, all these are three terms. So that is called a trinomials. And the last thing is, what is a polynomial? Polynomial, we can define poly and nomials. Poly means many and nomial means terms. So if an expression containing may be one or more terms, an expression may be one or more terms, that is called polynomials. Polynomials, poly and nomials. Poly means many and nomial means term. So now next thing is, what is the coefficient of this? If any terms, what is the coefficient? For example, write 3x square plus 7xy plus 11. In all these terms, look at this, these are trinomials. So first we write the terms and also write the each term factor. So first term is 3x square, second term is 7xy, and the third term is 11. Each term factorize 3x, 7xy, 7xy, and 11 is a constant. So we are only right now the 11. The value is 11. Now next thing, in that, which is the coefficient of talk to you about that in algebraic expressions is, you understand, the first kinds of polynomial, second is which types of polynomial, first monomials, second binomials, third trinomials, and the fourth is polynomials. Monomial, an expression containing one term, an expression that is called monomials, an expression containing two terms that is called binomials, an expression containing three terms that is called trinomials, and the polynomials, an expression containing may be one or more terms. Now the next is how can we explain the addition of in these terms are called like terms and unlike terms. So next thing is which we can operate the value of the algebraic expression. So in algebraic expression we can operate the fundamental operation by a sign, multiplication, addition and subtraction. First thing is the terms is which types of terms, like terms or unlike terms. So like terms, and the second is unlike terms. A like terms, if two terms have the same literal factors. We now write some examples of the like terms. For example, 3x square minus 7xy, y square, 7x square, 8xy minus 11x. So look at these examples in which terms which are like terms and which are unlike terms. Like terms if our two terms have the same literal factors. For example, 3x square and 7x square. Both are the like terms. Why? Because these both are the terms same. And unlike terms if two terms whose literal factors are not same. For example, in this, so the pair of the like terms 3x square, 7x square, minus 7xy, 8xy, and unlike terms, those terms are not equal. Just like as y square minus 11x. So we can see in our environment, for example, this is a duster and this is a chalk. So both are the different. We can say both are the chalks, but these are the duster. So not the terms is not same. So not we can include them. These are the three chalks. They are only called say that is a duster and that is a chalk. Okay, thank you. So next chapter we will discuss.